Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is quite delicious and easy to make. I'm using the king of fruits, mango. So let's start. First you need two mangoes. We will just peel them off and chop them into pieces to make a puree out of them. So first we are going to peel them. Then we will cut them out into pieces. Next we will make a puree out of them. And after that we will just convert them into a smaller bowl and put into a fridge for like half an hour. Now I have taken another mango, just half of it, to get some chopped pieces of mango. I will be using them as toppings at the end. Now we will start with our second step to make baskets. So for that we need some bread slices. Next we need a bowl with sharp edges to cut out a round shape out of the bread. Just rotate it over the bread and you will get a round shaped bread piece. Perfect. Now we will repeat the same process for the remaining bread slices. Baskets can be made in two ways. One, you can make them in appe pan or you can just bake them in oven. So I am baking them in oven using baking tray. You can even do the same in appe maker. So first we need a baking tray like this or an appe maker. Grease the baking tray with butter. Grease the upper portion of bread as well. Try to fit in the bread in the baking tray by giving it a perfect basket shape. I like the second basket the most which I'm making right now. I got a perfect shape from it. So then I thought to again reshape my first basket. So like this, you all can give your basket the perfect shape. You can follow the same procedure in appe maker as well. Now our baskets are ready to bake. So you can just bake them in preheated oven for 4 to 5 minutes till the time they turn golden brown in color. Yay! Our baskets are ready. Can you see that shade? I told you all that I like the second one the most. Okay, so now we will move to our third step and the last step where we will assemble all the things. First, I am placing two baskets in the tray. Now I am going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of mango puree to each one of them according to the capacity. I am using some strawberry jam cubes as my toppings. You can add anything like tutti frutti, chocolate chips or some dry fruits according to your choice. Next I'm adding some mango pieces. To give it a good look, I have added some chopped almonds over it. Mango baskets are ready to eat. Do share in the comments below what you added as toppings. I will be waiting. Thanks everyone. Bye.